Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is listening to life. It's time to take that nature walk. It's time to go to your special place. It's time to go into your place of silence where you enjoy, where you like to be, where you communicate with Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. It's trying to look at the signs. Have you been seeing deja vu? Have you been seeing synchronicities? 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777. These are not dangerous numbers. They're not scary numbers. This is the language of the universe. They're trying to speak to you. Just as we have English, Korean, Spanish, Portuguese, French, we have our own language. So does Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ. They have their own language and they're trying to speak to you. Learn the language. When you see 111, 222, what are you thinking at that time? It's time to dig deep and figure out what the Spirit, what the universe is trying to share with you to evolve you to the next level, because obviously you have the attention of the universe. Obviously you're doing something great. You've rang the bell and you got the attention. So therefore take advantage and listen. I'm attentive to the world and the signs that are around me. Symbols guides me to success. And I listen to discover the way to the eternal, to your highest self, to greatness, to freedom. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.